If you use OneDrive to store important files, photos, work documents, or backups, turning on two-factor authentication is one of the best things you can do to protect your account. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up two-factor authentication on OneDrive using your Microsoft account step by step so you can secure your files and keep unauthorized users out. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Microsoft Account Security. You can search for it or go directly to the Microsoft Security page in your account settings. Once the page loads, sign in with the Microsoft account that you use for OneDrive. Make sure you use the correct email address, especially if you have more than one Microsoft account. After you sign in, you'll be taken to your account security dashboard. This is where Microsoft lets you manage sign-in settings, password options, and extra protection features. Now look for the option called Account Security Options. Click that to open the security settings for your account. Once you're inside, scroll down until you see two-step verification. This is Microsoft's two-factor authentication feature, and it adds an extra layer of security every time you sign in. Instead of just entering your password, you'll also need a second verification step, like a code from your phone or Authenticator app. To turn it on, click Turn On or Set Up Two-Step Verification. Microsoft may show you a short explanation of how the process works. Click Next to continue. At this point, you'll need to choose how you want to receive your verification codes. Microsoft usually gives you a few options. The most secure and recommended option is the Authenticator app because it gives you time-based codes directly on your phone. You may also see SMS as an option, which sends a code to your mobile number, or email, which sends a code to your inbox. Pick the method that works best for you, then follow the instructions on screen. If you choose an Authenticator app, you may be asked to install Microsoft Authenticator and link it to your account. If you choose SMS or email, Microsoft will send a code that you need to enter to confirm the setup. Go through each prompt carefully and complete the verification process. This step proves that you have access to the second device or contact method you selected. Once the verification is successful, Microsoft will continue with the final setup steps. You may be asked to save recovery information or review backup sign-in methods. This is a good idea because it helps you regain access if you ever lose your phone or cannot receive codes. After that, click Finish or Done to complete the process. And that's it. Two-factor authentication is now enabled for your OneDrive and Microsoft account. From this point forward, every time you sign in on a new device or from a suspicious location, Microsoft may ask you for an extra verification code. That means even if someone gets your password, they still won't be able to access your OneDrive files without that second step. This is a simple change, but it makes a huge difference in protecting your cloud storage. If you use OneDrive for personal files, business documents, or anything important, I strongly recommend leaving two-factor authentication turned on at all times. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.